Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be testing and reviewing and trying out for the first time the new Dyson Airwrap diffuser attachment. And honestly guys, I don't really know why it's taken them so long to do a diffuser attachment. I feel like this should have been like a core attachment. Like what about all of us curly hair girls out there, you know? You've been leaving us out, Dyson. Okay guys, you'll notice today's setup looks very different to how it normally does. I'm in my dressing gown. It's all very bland, boring. I do apologize. I just wanted to get this set up and filmed really quickly, and I knew if I wanted to get everything looking all aesthetic like I normally do, including my outfit, I would have put it off and not done it. But I love that over here. I feel like this is a really safe place for me to just really be quite real and be myself, and this is the reality. I normally do my hair once I get out of the shower in my dressing gown. Okay guys, first things first, we are gonna do some hair prep before we get into the diffuser. So I'm just gonna take my hair down out of the towel. So this is a microfiber towel. If you don't have a microfiber towel, you need to go get some because it is so less damaging on your hair than just a regular towel. And you see having my hair up in that like towel away from my face, not dripping all over the place, it soaks up so much of the moisture, and like I said, without damaging your hair. I will have the ones that I use linked in the description. They're just from Amazon. It's a little pack of 3 and they're fab and really affordable, so I'll make sure I link those in the description. So guys, we are gonna prep our hair for styling, and I'm gonna put my 5-in-1 Philip Kingsley Elasta Styler leave-in treatment, and I've been using this now for over a year and a half. I've had this one for a year and a half, and it has seen its last days. Oh, I actually managed to get a wee pump out. I really need to order another one. I only wash my hair once a week, so that's why it's lasted so long. But honestly, I love this. It does a really, really good job at like detangling my hair, and definitely tames my frizz. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna add is my little bone builder strip end remedy. I'm just gonna pump this into the palms of my hands, but then I'll rub it in the tips of my fingers, and I just rub it through the ends of my hair. This just helps kind of bond the end of your hair so it doesn't split. I think like just naturally with longer hair, like I've just noticed that the longer my hair is, the more it's susceptible to like splitting at the ends. Last thing I'm gonna use is my Philip Kingsley Daily Defense Leave-In Conditioner. Again, this is on its last legs. I need to get some more. This is a leave-in conditioner, but it's also a heat defense. So I'm just gonna spray that all over my hair. There we go. The pre-styling is finished. Now we're going to unbox this little bad boy. I have already opened it up and took a little look inside. I mean, the packaging and stuff is nothing special. It's just pretty standard, but here we go. This is how it comes. We will just lift this out. This is it in all its glory. I mean, it's not the most attractive thing, but then again, I don't really think diffusers are like, they're never very attractive. But first things first, I actually like how long the prongs are, both on the outside and on the inside. But also guys, I just want to address the other new attachment that came out by Dyson, the large round brush, the new really big round brush. I have ordered that. In fact, I've ordered 3 of them, but they still haven't arrived. And I spoke to Dyson yesterday, a representative from Dyson, because I was really confused. I swear I was one of the first to order it. Like the minute that it went online, I ordered it, and I've seen like loads of people get their large round brush but haven't got their diffuser, and the other day the diffuser arrived for me but the round brush hasn't. So I called Dyson yesterday and I spoke to them. I said that all my round brushes are on back order, that they've ran out of stock, and as soon as they're back in stock they're going to get them sent out. Something worth noting, as soon as I get their new round brush, I will be reviewing it on this channel, so just please be patient and it'll be with you very soon. Okay, so let's get this bad boy attached. There we go. Looks quite well. I mean, it would be really nice if it was the same color as my Dyson Airwrap. Let's get going. High heat, high speed. Let's go. Can already see that that's gone a little bit curly. Okay, guys. Okay, here we go. I mean, volume, tick. That is a lot of volume. Okay, I need to actually put a bit of a disclaimer in. My hair isn't naturally like proper ringlety curls. I kind of have more loose curls / waves. So if you're expecting to see really defined curls, I don't think my hair is that type of hair. But I'd say it's definitely curled a lot better underneath my hair. Like, look how much that's curled. And even on this side, than it has on top of my hair. I mean, this bit here just looks like pure just like frizz. That hasn't really done anything. I always get really confused with my hair like this. Like, in one respect, I think, oh, it looks fabulous. Like, it looks quite like Julia Roberts-esque. But then on the other hand, I'm like, does it just look like a big frizz ball? Like a big just mess? I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay, right, let's talk about the diffuser. First of all, it's nice and big. It's got a really big surface. I've used diffusers before and they're quite small and like I couldn't get like all one side of my hair. I mean, I know you're not supposed to get the whole big chunk, but like for like time purposes, it's nice just getting the whole big chunk in there. And then it has a really good like circumference area. Like it covers in a large area whenever I'm trying to dry my roots. Another really big bonus about this diffuser is it actually did dry my hair very quickly. Again, I've used diffusers before and sometimes it can honestly take me about half an hour, and even then whenever the half an hour is up, my hair isn't even fully dry, to basically diffuse it. Like that took me about 10 minutes. And how much is it? Like 30 quid. If you're someone who likes diffusing your hair, if you've got naturally wavy or curly hair, and if you're looking for something that diffuses your hair, rather than going out and buying a new hair dryer, then I'd absolutely just buy this attachment. Anyway guys, that brings us to the end of this video. I'm not sure if it was helpful or not. I am definitely not an expert whenever it comes to diffusers, bracing your curls, and the best way to do that. That's still a journey that I'm on. I'm currently doing a lot of research on that, doing a lot of learning on that, so I can kind of go on that curly hair journey. Anyway guys, I hope that you did enjoy this. I hope that you got something useful out of it. If you did, please make sure to give a thumbs up and hit subscribe, and I will see you next time.